still a bit far away at the back there. My voice is going.
Get away from us.
I wish. I wish if they were really shoot.
Awesome, guys. Just lowering your voices, please. Lowering your voices.
Right then. Lovely stuff.
Alright, welcome to your third game of the afternoon, guys. For this one, we're going to be playing a game of zombies on Helifield. Your boundaries for this one, guys, we've got the netting that separates us from the safe zone. We've got the tree line on your right-hand side, netting up to the top of the mound there, and then we just got some orange wrap trees down the bottom. Your respawn points are going to be the blue wrap trees behind you, and we've got the blue wrap trees up the top there. Those of you who played this morning, you already know this. Unlike a normal game on Heli, which is a domination game, we're going to be playing a game of zombies. So this means that these honourable four gentlemen here in front of me, these guys are going to be the zombies. Their objective is to have every one of you join their team. Your objective is to stay alive and not get hit by the zombies. Once you have been hit by a zombie, you will then join their team by taking off your armband and placing it in the tub, which will be at their respawn point. Again, like I said, we'll only... so we're going to have one round for this one, guys, just because it's a short game. We're going to have a single round, so we're not going to be switching sides. We've only got about 15 minutes left anyway. So, survivors, your objective is to be the team that's alive at the end. Zombies, your objective is to be the team with all of the players.
Quiet.
For a second, please.
Guys, quieting you down. I'm only doing this one more time. One more time for today. I think I've said just about everything. We will be on full auto for this one, guys. But please, if we are close to the zombies, just swapping down to semi, keeping ourselves nice and safe. No, zombies have infinite lives. Survivors have a single life. Once that life is done on the survivors team, you will then join the zombies. Is everyone clear on that? Awesome. Right then, I'll get you guys started then, as we don't have very long left. Let's have zombies this way, please, down at the bottom. Survivors up at the top. Thank you.
When is this video going to be uploaded?
This is basically morning games, 3 games in the morning, be tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday, and this afternoon games be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Yeah,
I mean, like, when's the video going to be uploaded?
I'll upload them tonight,
Awesome.
and what I've scheduled them to go, these should be, this afternoon games should be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
When's it, what's it going to be titled?
Basically, all zombie games. My channel is Ghost Rider Airsofter.
Ghost Rider. Nice.
And you click the bell icon, all, then you'll be able to...
Right, cheers, thank you.
Wait for it. Where's the dumpy? I like the dumpy. That's where you hit someone up on the mound. Marshall, that one just fell off.
Right there. Oh, you lost your retainer pin.
Bushfield fix.
Oh no, it's rotten.
Cool, that's in there. You don't need to worry about that, we'll deal with it later. That should stay on for you.
Hopefully.
It's just so I don't have to go and get another gun. Makes it easier.
Yeah. Ain't bad, I've got an hour and 3 minutes left of filming left on the space of the video.
What did you start with?
4.5 hours.
Stand by!
Out the heli! Out the heli! Can't go in there. I can because I'm filming, it's my liability, but... Have you been shot? Oi, chap! Oi! You've been shot, you got to go the other way! Got to go that way, you've been shot! Then take your armband off! In the blue tub, go to where the respawn is. They respawn, put it in the tub.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got an idea. Okay, I'm on the back side of the heli towards where we were.
No, you've been hit. Other end. Take your armband off. Been hit. Go down to the other end. Respawn. Take the armband off.
Hey, Craig. Yeah. Let's walk out there. Yeah? Ready for this. Where's he getting this from, mate?
Remember to take your armband off when you get that end.
Where is he getting this? Sniper, isn't it? Where is it? I got shot by friendly. You shot by friendly? Well, that ain't right, is it? Sure. Yeah, that.
Remember it's semi-only.
It's all full auto.
Is it full auto?
Full auto,
Oh, my mistake. Happy mode.
It's a bit unfair, this guy.
Oh!
You catch his graze.
Yeah! Right in tender spot. Oh yeah, I can feel this lump little freeze in there. Nice try. Language. Over there, chap.
That wasn't meant to be on full on. Oh shit, I'm so fun.
That was good.
Remember to take your armband off. Over there!
Where?
Bye.
Oh, yeah, it hits.
Ready there? Hey! Fucking hands up!
That's probably going to go on fire, I don't. Yeah, no, I can't go sit down. It's got all the kid in the
Keep your arm up! Keep your arm up! Keep your arm up!
If you're out, keep your arms up!
I got hit by a sniper once close range, it split my nail.
Absolutely amazing. Oh, he's got it. Oh, brilliant.
Well, that corner.
Yeah, I could see him.
Can I get it from here?
What, the corner of the park?
Let him out!
Can't get out. Yeah, they're both hit. I think I said.
He's dead.
That guy out. He's got. Oh my god. Yeah, no, no. What do you hope to
There was two over there and two done. Looks like they're still shooting people, hunting something up there.
Whoa! So the bush, they got to get out. They got stuck in there.
It's like guns up in the air, we're like this. It's like, are we going to shoot it? No.
You guys alright? Huh? You guys alright?
We are now.
Oh, you're waving.
Yeah, we're just getting shot at.
I think that is it.
Thank you very much. Oh, the old thingy hurts. Trying to get out of the bush while getting taken out. All this is like... Yeah, and your suit sticks to everything.
How many subs you got now?
220 last count. Oh, no, 229.
Damn, okay. What was it like December last year that you had like 20 or 30? You're going quite a lot.
Yeah. And over 1,000 hours watched so far.
Is that game over? Is that game? I'm not! No!